What's in there? Woo! What is that? Oh, delicious. Hold on, Will. Hold on. Wait for Jack. Wait for Jack. What else is in here? There's more stuff. Oh, hang on. There might be names on there. Oh, what does that say on there, Jack?
Will.
Okay, give that to Will to open.
Where's mine?
Well, look in the box. Whoa.
But mine's not like Will's.
Hang on, let's see. Oh, here. There's one like Will's. Oh my goodness.
Is it okay if I rip?
You can rip.
What is the Matchbox card?
Oh, we'll see. These are wrapped good, huh?
Yeah.
Lots of layers. What's in there, Will? Lightning McQueen and Jack. You get the same one? Lightning McQueen too? All right. All right, what else? What was the other one, Jack?
What's this?
Oh, candy.
What's this, Mom?
Oh, here you go, Will. This one says Will on it, and that one says Jack. Let's see what's in there. What do you think it is, Jack?
Thank you, Uncle Brendan and Alicia.
What do you think's in there?
I wonder, maybe a Matchbox card.
Maybe.
Oh,
Will, did you get yours open?
no, not yet.
Those are tough to open. Did something just talk? Did that guy just talk?
Where's the button?
Was he just talking?
Yeah, I think.
How'd that happen?
Which one you got, Will? I wonder if you got the
All
same one.
right, look at that.
What?
What does this say? Russ.
Was he talking? Maybe something else was talking. Oh my goodness.
Look, this thing does it. The back does it, Mom.
Oh my
Look.
goodness. What does it say?
Who fixed it? Watch this.
Oh, Will, you finally got it out.
Is this a robot?
Is it a robot? I don't know if that qualifies as a robot. Will, what did you get?
Mom, we got letters. We got two.
Oh! Do I hear some manners?
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Will, how about you? William, do I hear manners from you? William? Hello? Do I hear manners from Will?
Hey, there's lights.
William, do I hear manners from Will?
Yeah.
They light up. Do I hear manners? Hey, you.
Thank you, Mom.
It's not from Mom. It's from Uncle Brendan and Alicia.
Uncle Brendan, Alicia.
Okay.